Fellow Kenyans, fellow Africans, kuna hii story ya cooking. If you go into the kitchen, you'll realize tuliachanga kutumia earthen pots when. And for real, when did we stop using earthen pots? And I was thinking about this, and because I was looking at some studies on the metals that actually make us sick, how they accumulate in our bodies and make us sick. That's why we have Alzheimer's and cancers. And aluminium is top on this list. Aluminium. So I'm trying to. I was thinking, tulitokaje kwa earthen pots, which is very clean cooking, and then we went to cook on aluminium and steel pans. Really happened, man. And what was the thinking and reasoning behind that? Is it that clay is more expensive than aluminium and steel pots? Is it that food tastes better on aluminium and steel than it does on earthen pots? Nataka utafakari hayo juu hii story ya earthen pots. How did we move from earthen pots to aluminium steel pots? I'm just asking. I'm asking.